I'm Robin with TreesMom.com, and we're making a video for ExpertVillage.com today. We're making a cell phone holder or a glasses holder, and we're going to talk about the beads that we're going to use on this project. As you can see, there are flowers. There are a few flowers on this project, and the beads aren't all the way around. These beads just go in the front and they're on a diagonal. So you're going to place them differently than the other projects that we have done. And this does not have a center focal point like our other projects. So when we place our beads out and decide what we're going to do, I'm going to use these blue flower beads. They have a base and a middle, a second part, and then we're going to put a gold center in them. And I have two different colors. I have a dark blue and a light blue. And I'm thinking that on the light blue, I'm going to put the dark blue middle part. And on the dark blue, I'm going to put the iridescent part. And I'm going to lay all these out beforehand so that they're easy to pick up and put on my project. I'm also going to scatter pearls and bicone beads, and that means that it's a bead that goes to a point on each end. And these are just going to be very small bicone beads. These are crystal, and they'll just fit in with our flower garden here.